Hi friends, welcome back. Today I am with a new concept verification tool which we are going to explore today. When I am saying verification tools, it's a lot bunch of different softwares, different EDA putting in one common session with all the introduction. So while you are using you are doing the verification of a given design, you will be writing the test bench, and you will be simulating the test bench, but behind that simulator there are so many other tools also, like linting tool. Even simulators are of various different types, like event based simulator, cycle based simulator, again simulator at different abstraction level, like simulator at gate level, simulator at RTL level, simulator working at a transistor level or circuit level, simulator working at a system level directly. So different type of simulators we will be discussing about, and then we will be focusing on logic simulators which work at gate level. As I said, linting tool. Then we will be talking about emulator as well. Then hardware modeler. Then we will be talking about bug tracking system, because if you are doing verification and while simulation you find out a bug, you will have to report it to design team back, and then maybe design team deny that is not a bug. That's a very natural process. So again, once both the teams are interacting, and then a bug is fixed, and then in version 2 of that design comes, and again in version 2 the still verification is going on and new bug is coming, so that way there will be version tracking system, bug tracking system. So this all you will have to just have a knowledge of, understanding of, so that when you are in industry you are totally you are not totally unaware of or unfamiliar of all these words, this terminology and the usage of the different tools. So this is how this particular session is all about, verification tools, where I am going to cover the most essential part of the verification, the simulator. We have used simulator. While you are in 7th semester, you may have used simulator in so many different ways, but you have now to understand how the simulator is built. And in this particular session, I will be talking about the development of simulator as well. And there is one assignment is also given where you can develop your own simulator, a small simulator. So okay, we will be there. Bye.